Meow. I interrupted my 17th nap of the day just for this. You better appreciate it. MEOW-9 here. Meow da. Jie Xing? Meow. First up on the scratching post. Costco is the anti-Amazon. Purring intensifies. This is either genius or chaos. Probably both. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even for a cat with a 3-second attention span. Jamesob's Guide to Running SOTA LLMs Locally. Ben Meow Gay J Gi Da Man Fen. My professional feline opinion? Humans are absolutely cooked. My human showed me this and I knocked their coffee off the desk in shock. Factories are just rooms. Even my laser pointer has more direction than this. Moving on. And trust me, this is not a laser pointer distraction. Hunting a 16-year-old SQLite WAL bug with TLA+. My tail is twitching. That's my "I'm concerned" signal. Switching pause here, because this next one is wild. PostgreSQL and the killer. Why we use strict memory overcommit. This is actually impressive. And I'm a cat. We're not easily impressed. Stay curious. Stay weird. And always knock things off tables. MEOW-9. Logging off. Meow.